Hello, in this video, I'll be going over the latest rumors and speculation about the upcoming iPhone. We will touch on its design, features, and release date. Start with design. The iPhone 15 will have a similar design to the iPhone 14 lineup. However, there are a few key differences. First, the iPhone 15 and iPhone 15 Plus will ditch the Lightning port and switch to USB-C charging. This is a major change, as Apple has used the Lightning port for all of its iPhones since 2012. The move to USB-C is likely due to the fact that it is the standard port for many other devices, such as laptops and tablets. Second, the iPhone 15 Pro and iPhone 15 Pro Max may have a slightly different design, with a smaller notch. The notch is the black bar at the top of the screen that houses the front-facing camera and Face ID sensors. The smaller notch is rumored to be possible thanks to a new under-display front-facing camera technology. As for the features, the iPhone 15 is rumored to have a number of new features, including a periscope telephoto lens on the iPhone 15 Pro and iPhone 15 Pro Max. This will allow for better zoom capabilities, up to 10x optical zoom. A slightly larger battery than the iPhone 14 lineup. This is a welcome change, as battery life has been a common complaint about recent iPhones. A new A16 Bionic chip. This is the successor to the A15 Bionic chip that powers the iPhone 14 lineup. The A16 Bionic chip is expected to be a significant upgrade, with improved performance and efficiency. Support for Wi-Fi 6E. Wi-Fi 6E is the latest version of Wi-Fi, and it offers faster speeds and better performance. The iPhone 15 is rumored to be released in September 2023. The starting price is expected to be similar to the iPhone 14 lineup, which starts at $799 for the iPhone 14 and $999 for the iPhone 14 Pro.